Williams test driver Roy Nissany is aiming for a seat on the F1 grid next season but has admitted he may just miss out. Roy Nissany has claimed he is unlikely to secure a drive at Williams in 2023 based on his performances in F1's junior tier, Formula 2. However, the French Israeli has warned he is open to switching teams if an opportunity arises in F1 and both Alex Albon and Nicholas Latifi stay with Williams. Latifi has had a troubled start to the new season with accidents in Saudi Arabia and Australia. Meanwhile, a points finish for Albon in only his third race with the British squad is sure to put pressure on the Canadian. Should Latifi lose his seat, Williams would likely look at their test drivers as an option with Jack Aitken and Nissany in line. Aitken raced for the team in the 2020 Sakir Grand Prix, but Nissany also has extensive single-seater experience. He took part in 3 practice sessions last season and has played a crucial role in preseason testing. He is also embarking on his 4th season of Formula 2 with the ambitious Dams team. Speaking to Express Sport, he claimed Williams is his preferred option for an F1 drive but would be open to other teams if an opportunity developed. Asked whether an F1 seat for next season was a possibility, he said, "We can look at the facts. The fact is at the moment, according to F2 results, the answer is no. But I am so certain how much potential I still have in me that I have to express in F2 and show I am worthy of that seat. When I am worthy of an F1 seat, Williams is in the last 3 years, my family. Everything I am thinking in terms of an F1 seat at the moment is Williams. My management's job, in case a seat in Williams is not available and another seat is available and I am worthy of that seat, you know the answer. I am again focused on deserving any seat and focusing on the F2 campaign which is dictating the rest." Nissany has failed to score a victory in F2 but has had a difficult start to his career. He made his F2 debut in 2018 but suffered a training injury prior to 2019 which forced him out for the season. Nissany made a comeback in 2020 with a series of points finishes and claimed a first podium a year later in 2021. However, he vows his time in F1's Junior League will provide a great platform if he manages to secure a drive in the top tier for next season. He told Express Sport, "The multitasking required in F1 is incredibly high but eventually F2 is a preparation for this. Mostly a good F2 driver can adapt himself within a preseason event of testing or 1 or 2 races. I assume to be able to adapt to those things."
If to live, 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 live.